Hey everybody, welcome to Froggy Stocks. Nothing I say is financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Doing a later stream today. I was busy this morning. Had a very nice morning. Went and got some good coffee from Cafe Bella here in Albuquerque, over on Paradise or Golf Course Road. It was absolutely delicious. London fog killed it. My mocha hazelnut latte killed it. Having a good morning. So, anyways, coming in, checking the stocks. HE down again today, 2%, but looking to set up for a reversal. Again, everybody, this play, obviously, I wish I could have bought in here. It is finding support around this area, though, which is the bottom of one of the main candles coming at the beginning of the bull flag. I think I may load up on some more calls tomorrow. Then if it recovers to 15, I'm back in the money. We print. And then hopefully good news this upcoming week on Hawaiian Electric, which today Hawaiian Electric tweeted 3P Maui update. We have suspended service discontinuations through at least October 17th. So all Maui customers who are financially challenged by the devastating wildfires will not have to worry about their electric service. So if they haven't paid their bill, they're behind because of the disaster, everything going on. Boom, here we go. Story with AMC. Let me get to it. It's exactly what I said. AMC is diluting. Adam Aaron has come out. We got a new news article. There's a new at the market 17 hours ago. Let's see. I posted a tweet the other day. I said Adam Aaron is diluting right here. And let me go find it. So, see, or no, we got to go to my Twitter feed. And I called it to the T. AMC started walking back to the upside, and Adam Aaron needed to stop it, so he entered a distribution agreement. Right here, I literally September 5th. Who wants to bet CO Adams sold shares right at 1352? Every time AMC starts to move upside, he tweets, "We got a price target, downgrade, insider sell, or he sells shares." He is the king of killing any price action on AMC, and I'm glad you reminded me that. Well, there you go. Adam Aaron is going to do anything and everything he can to keep the price from running to the upside and devaluing his bondholders. It's just what it is. Sad. I was, me personally, I tweeted a while ago that Adam Aaron should wait till the stock got till at least $20. They're going to raise just enough money to cover some deferred rent, to pay a little bit of the interest back, and then they're going to go right back into what they were doing and from the start. Maybe somebody on the bond side came back out and said, your plan would work, but let's just take the money and go ahead and bankrupt AMC anyways. So there you have that with AMC. That's why it's down over 30%. Puts would have been killer on it. I'm staying away from the stock. I don't want to put any money into it, long or short. I don't care anymore. This stock's a dumpster fire. Hawaiian Electric, like I said, though, it is finding some support there. Shorts are attacking the piss out of this thing on the back of the news that more lawsuits are flying. It's absolutely crazy. Hawaiian Electric is working diligently to get power restored to Lahaina and other parts of the island while curbing any type of discontinuation of services to the citizens while they're financially challenged, as they should, which is a really good move on their part. The ATF is done with their report on the island. They're done and they're already gone. They said they're compiling it and they're going to give it to the Maui Fire Department. Now, in that, some Maui citizens have just announced they've decided to sue the Maui government. Let me pull that up for you real quick. Yeah, the state. Maui sued by victim's family for gross negligence in deadly wildfires. That was reported on September 5th by Reuters. The father of a woman who died during last month's wildfires in Hawaii has sued the state and the county of Maui in a first of its kind lawsuit accusing the governments of gross negligence leading to the blaze that razed the historic town of Lahaina. And that's exactly what I was saying from the start. The emergency manager service guy quit. He quit, and it was right in the middle of the disaster. Real shame. The mayor recused himself from the lawsuits that the Maui government filed against Hawaiian Electric who came out and disputed the claims immediately. So all we're waiting for here, no matter where your contracts are sitting, if you have duration on them, meaning mine are out till September 29th, if a good piece of news drops before the week of September 29th, boom, Hawaiian Electric's not held liable for the fires that burned down the town of Lahaina. The stock will shoot back to $21, possibly $31 on the recovery. If it shoots back to 21, we go into a huge daily cup and handle, back up to 21 bucks, maybe come to 17 and recover to 31 as the island gets put back together. But even a move to 21 is over 200% on a gain on the call options that I'll have. IDEX down in the dirt, hitting 250, new all-time low. They're trying to keep $1 to maintain listing requirements, which doesn't look like it's going to happen, and they're delinquent on filing their 10Q, which is a big problem. The balance sheet's garbage. They have a lot of debt. Electric tractors are not, it's not really anything proprietary they're working on. It's just a dumpster fire company, guys. And it's crazy to imagine that at some point in time, they were probably around 30 to 60 bucks. My puts are printing like crazy. I'm up over 30% on those. I'm waiting for this thing to go under $1, get the delisting news. I'll probably exercise my puts if they're not already wildly in the money. If they're way, way up and we're at 50 cents, I'll just take the profit and go. If it's under $1 and they're not up as much as I think they should be, I'll exercise and follow this thing short down to 30 cents again. So we take some comments real quick. Overstock. I want to talk about Overstock real quick. Overstock took an absolute beating today, down 27% on news that the Bed Bath & Beyond revenues were not up to par. I don't think it's actually that big of a deal. I think Bed Bath & Beyond and the IP they got from them is going to take time to consolidate and reach the target market again. That was the Bed Bath & Beyond shoppers who like to go to the brick and mortar stores. Once they do, in my opinion, and this is my advice to Overstock, you should hook up with Musk and hook up with Twitter and start Overstock Bed Bath & Beyond brand advertising on Twitter. Now, what's going to happen is when they start hitting their target market and we get into wedding season, which is coming up now, and we get into baby making season, which is the spring, you're going to see the rebrand happen. You're going to see the baby registries, the wedding registries, and you're going to see Overstock recover. So I bought some call options today. I'm going to go long the stock tomorrow when my money rolls in. I'm going to try to snatch as much up as I can. If I could right now, I would. I just wasn't prepared for it. But I did talk about a $21 gap fill. And now Overstock does have a gap on the daily back to $26. That is a big move from where it's at now. So if my money rolls in tomorrow and this thing's still under 21, I'm going to nail some more call options on that, give it a little bit of duration, and then wait for everything to roll over in my favor, because I do believe that Overstock is going to be a rock solid company coming up in the future. Right now, the entire economy is just crapping out. The entire stock market's crapping out. So it's not surprised that shorts probably came in and attacked the piss out of this thing today, but it does look like it's finding support and getting ready to make recovery. Again, gap to the upside. Their overall business structure is good. I think they're going to do really good with Bed Bath & Beyond. So got some calls what I could. Hopefully tomorrow I have more money roll in and I'll nail some more calls under 20 bucks, and then I'll hold those until September 22nd, which all we need is a couple good market days. We've had nothing but downside on the market. We just need a couple good market days to get us to roll over back into our plays, back into good positioning. So actually I'm going to go ahead and nail two more call options on Overstock right now. I just did it. There we go. So let's go to the chat, see what we got. Good morning. Missed you early this morning. I wasn't on this morning. I was busy, so had company over. Richie, he filed and they deleted. AA didn't sell yet. Yeah, he more than likely has already got the placement done. So major printing AMC puts. AA can keep his shitty shares. Yeah, I'm not going to touch the stock up or down anymore. It's not worth it. HE is my only hope to recoup 3 years of AMC. Still will be under, but less. Hope HE goes back to 22. I think it will, man. I think what's going to happen is you're going to see news drop really soon. I bet you more than likely Friday after hours we get news that drops that says HE. Let's just say assume that this is what's going to happen. HE is not liable for Lahaina fires, secondary Lahaina fires, and then the stock will go up 40% after hours. I probably will buy Overstock shares tomorrow morning when my money rolls in. Almost no debt compared to many companies. I'm only in HE. Yep. So just the market got attacked today. I mean, we got crushed today. I'm hoping Ideonomics keeps under the 260 line and this thing drops below $2 within the next week. And if it does, if I'm up a couple grand, I'll maybe look at taking profit. You never know with these types of stocks. These things could just pop off at any minute with any type of good market news. So we'll see though. HE's got a nice candle making a recovery. Is any news out? Let's see. HE, did anything drop? Nope, no news. But that's a nice candle on HE for the day. Consolidated off of 1190 and is building back up. And now we have no gaps there. We did gap fill though. We did gap fill 12 bucks. There was a gap at 12, kinda. I don't know. I guess maybe there wasn't. Yeah, there was. There was a small gap at 12 bucks that's been filled. I don't think this thing's going to go down to 9. I think coming up in the next couple weeks, we see this thing form that cup to $21 through here to 21 on good news. Handle, we rock it back to 31. And with the Maui citizens suing their own government, that is a big thing. Wow. Liz Clayman whistles up 600% on her AMC puts. I guess I could have just kept playing AMC. I don't have the energy to even play AMC to the downside or the upside. I'm just so tired of it. But either way, I wanted to pop on real quick. Also, FX, it's really cool. FX Hedge, Biden administration to announce cancellation of Alaska wildlife oil drilling lease sources, say. So I put welcome to $8 gas, and he actually responded, or they did. And then Base Capital said, what the fuck? I don't think I've ever seen FX Hedgers reply to a comment before. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, gas is going to go up. If anybody's noticed, food in the grocery store expensive, gas getting more expensive. Yet they come out with great CPI and inflation and jobs data. It's all a lie. White House is lying. People are working 3 jobs. Inflation is growing, and the housing market is set for a big tumble coming up. Housing demand, loan demand is going down faster than any time in history. 8% interest rates, 30 to 40% overinflated housing prices. It's going to be absolutely ridiculous. What's up, DZZ? Just wanted to jump on, do a quick one for you guys. I'm waiting for the market recovery. I'm continuing to load on my positions. There's no thesis creep on IDEX. There's no thesis creep on Hawaiian Electric. And right now, Overstock looks like a great buy. It's already starting to recover. If I can get in more tomorrow before it goes crazy, I will. I'm looking to see this thing gap fill back up to the 23 to 29, $26 range. If it does, the call options I bought will go hundreds and hundreds of percent, and I'll make a lot of money off of a little investment. And look at potentially exercising. I think Overstock's going to be a powerhouse in the next 2 to 5 years. So either way, that's all I got for you guys today. Appreciate you. Please like the video. That's all. Like, the only thing I ask you to do for me is like the video. Helps the algos, kicks it out into the feed more. And if you see me on Twitter, please retweet the video as well. Try to do more consolidated and meaningful content that's not locked into specific AMC plays. And again, if you guys have any tickers, man, drop them in the chat. I've already made the mistake too many times this week of ignoring people talking about tickers on Twitter. So if you got something you want me to look at, go ahead, drop in the chat. I'll hit it up. Tomorrow I'll be back on in the morning for Market Open. If you don't get your alerts from my YouTube channel, please just remember that I'll try to be on every day Market Open. If I'm not on at Market Open, I'll come in the afternoon around 2 o'clock and drop a video. So 9:30 Eastern time, 2 o'clock Eastern time in the afternoon. Appreciate you guys. Y'all have a great day. Froggy Stocks out.